Brazil halts China beef exports. Brazil, the world's biggest beef exporter, has halted beef shipments to China, the country's largest client, after the confirmation of 2 instances of atypical, mad cow disease in 2 different domestic meat factories, the Agricultural Ministry said Saturday. The ban is part of a bilateral agreement between China and Brazil on animal health and is intended to give Beijing time to assess the situation, the ministry said in a statement. China will choose when to resume imports, it said. The ban is a significant setback for Brazilian farmers since China and Hong Kong together consume more than half of Brazil's beef exports. The government said the cases were discovered at meat factories in the states of Mato Grosso and Minas Gerais. According to the report, these were the 4th and 5th instances of atypical, mad cow disease identified in Brazil in 23 years. It said that atypical, mad cow disease occurs spontaneously and is not associated with the consumption of infected foods. Brazil, it said, had never experienced a case of classic, mad cow disease. The government verified the 2 instances Friday after sending samples to the World Organization for Animal Health, OI, laboratory in Alberta, Canada. The OI was subsequently notified of the 2 instances, according to the ministry, following international standards. According to the ministry, there was no danger to animal or human health. Brazil's government expressed optimism that the ban will be removed soon. The country's robust agricultural industry is a major driver of the economy's long-term stagnation. China is Brazil's largest trading partner, purchasing huge amounts of the country's commodities.